Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Katherine and we are gonna go shopping for spring. Y'all, spring is one of my favorite seasons. I sound like a broken record if you've been on Instagram in the last 2 weeks. If seasons had a personality, I would be spring, and it's just for me a reset season. We are gonna go and do some shopping for spring, but it's gonna be a little different this time. I have been very particular about what I want to bring into our home ever since decluttering. I feel like my shopping in the past have been more so impulse buys. I don't know if y'all remember back in my kitchen declutter video, but I had a list of things that I said I was in no rush to get, but over time I wanted to replace those items. Basically what I was doing was writing down all of the items that we would like to invest in. No rush to get these items as we are saving the old items until we replace them. I have been doing tons of researching. I have been browsing stores looking for unique items. I want to really get out of the mindset to just buy things that are only seasonal and buy less character or themed decor. I realized that once we took down our Christmas decorations, which we have not decorated since Christmas, I decorated our home around huge holidays. So when we took everything down, it was just naked. This time around, I want to bring in pieces that are going to last like within 6 to 7 months until we're ready to decorate for fall and Christmas going forward. Really want to hone in on the bohemian style, very free-spirited, colorful, bringing in more culture. We'll tell a story in our home. I want to just enhance our home experience with valuable things. Other items I'm looking for are things that we need, but also to complement our home. This is going to be more of like a spring reset decor haul. I hope this makes sense to y'all. It's just I have a different mindset going into this, but I'm gonna show you what's in the stores. The stores that I went to, no brainer, Home Goods and Target, but I also browsed through some other stores that you're gonna see in this video.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. Well, we're right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe.
These are the same exact plates I had from last year, just a different pattern.
Are you when you're falling, when the river is calling? I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free. And it won't take long. Your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you so tenderly. What I wanna say is that I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together.
Y'all, I found the mirror. I saw it in person, y'all. It is gorgeous. About to go pick it up. I just put my seats down. Hopefully it fits back there, but it is so gorgeous. And God is so good. And it's on sale. And it's still on sale. So that's nobody but God. This was meant for me. I'm gonna go and pick it up right now. Now what's really about to get tested is my driving skills, because I'm gonna have to try to park very close to the door. Just like 4 inches, y'all. Guys, it's happening. We're renting. a U-Haul van for this mirror. It is happening. We got it, y'all. So I have everything around me that I have purchased. Get a cup of tea, cup of coffee, because this is gonna be a lengthy video. I got comfortable, my little floor cushion. I am so happy with what I have, and I think a lot of you guys are gonna like Boho stuff. Let's start at Home Goods. They recently been like killing the game with home decor and mirrors and unique items, and I've just been like blown away. I don't even know what to show y'all first, the bag or the items in the bag. Let me just show y'all the items in the bag. So this is just a mix of collected dry florals, just so beautiful and colorful. There's pampas grass with purple accents, baby breaths. This one is $24.99. Y'all, it's from the Global Mosaic Africa collection. Have these dried palm leaves, very bohemian. These were $12.99. I just think these mixed with this bunch is gonna be very spring. I'm excited. This is a beautiful textured white vase. When I saw this and I saw this, I put this in here. I said, I'll be darned if this is not the cutest setup ever. Another item that I picked up from Home Goods is this lavender and white tea candle. Anything with white tea or lavender in it is a very soothing scent. It has a little bit of a perfume scent to it, but it's subtle, but it's clean. You go to Home Goods and you see this, smell it, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And it was only $5.99. I'm getting excited. I'm getting off my floor pillow. Picked up this bronze trivet. Decorate around that kitchen sink area just a little bit more. I really wanted something that was bohemian and different. And I found this beautiful bronze one, and it has like these little V legs, and it's so cute. Then the next thing, which isn't as exciting, are these bamboo mini scrub brushes. These were $4.99. I wanted pillows that have a lot more texture to them, that can last throughout the season. We can also mix with other seasons. I saw these texture pillows. They're super gorgeous. I feel like this is something that you would see on CB2 for like $60 or Anthropologie. And I think they both were like $29.99. And then the last thing from Home Goods, that really not a decor piece, a recyclable bag of New York. So special, we had just visited New York for Christmas. We are drinking mint tea today. Absolutely love that I can carry the tea with me on the go now. I did some online shopping. We are going to start with Amazon. One of those kitchen items that I have been browsing for and I refused to have settled for was a soap dispenser. I don't know if y'all ever decided to research soap dispensers. Are the most controversial reviews online. I love when people leave reviews. People will tell you either the pump doesn't work or rust. I was very particular. I just didn't know what I wanted. So I ended up going for a white glass soap dispenser with a bronze top. Just so classy. Had thousands of great reviews. It's gonna look so nice on this trivet. Other thing from Amazon is a cutting board. It is this Boho rainbow cutting board. It's thick too. I have been playing around with this, doing some content on it and styling it in our kitchen. Oh, you get it. Really, it's the simple things that make you content. I finally got to replace the big old carton of vanilla syrup that I was putting in my tea. So this is called a bitter bottle. My tea game has been taken up to another level. I feel like I'm basically a tea connoisseur at this point. I remember my red measuring cups that I got from the dollar store. I have had those for 8 years. Remember that old phrase, if it ain't broken, don't fix it? I just wanted something that was not bow red. Although I haven't been able to find all the measurements in like one set, for some reason these days they break them up. I have found the most beautiful pastel measuring cups, and I'm so happy I waited. These measuring cups are just beautiful. So they come in 1/4, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, 1 cup. Another online purchase is from my best friend Shop Gold Pearl Candle. She's a mama now, y'all, and so she's been quite particular about the candles, the scents that she's putting out, and she's been leaning more towards clean scents. She recently came out with some new candles. I ended up ordering 2. One is Cloud 9, Take a Load Off. The scent is Clean Cotton. Downtime is Bubble Bath on a Rainy Day and has lavender, lemon, and patchouli. Cloud 9, the Clean Cotton, literally smells fresh. I loved it so much. I went through it so darn fast. It really is a fresh scent that fills our entire apartment. And then the Cloud 9 definitely smell like something you would pour into your bubble bath. Now we are on to Target. The very first thing that I do want to start off with is this scallop basket. I actually have the large one out of the two. It also came in a medium size. I love how unique this basket is. Like, it's not as oval shaped as other baskets are. It definitely is more narrow, which I really like. As I mentioned earlier, I really want to bring more cultured items into our home. Next pieces were part of the Black History collection at Target. This pillow is by a creator and designer, Candace Luther. She's a home designer. Like a terracotta color with this fur design. Next item that's still from her collection is this bowl. Very high quality. It's so heavy and it's large. This is my hand and this is how big the bowl is. I have picked up quite a bit of books. I love to read so much, y'all. It's been such a big deal for me to start collecting books. This is the Jubilee Cookbook. Recipes from 2 centuries of African-American cooking. 2 centuries. Let that sink in. Just how beautiful is this photography? This book is just filled with so many gems, recipes. Those that were enslaved should have been considered chefs. Just see their writing. He went through to find these recipes and tried to get them exactly. Then there's a little story about that food, why it is called what it is, how it came to making that food, and it's just so much history. I feel like you cannot cook anything out of this book without getting emotional. Next cookbook is Divas Can Cook by Monique. I actually been following her on YouTube for many years before she came out with a book. I love all of her recipes. Almost everything that I have made from scratch that would normally seem intimidating, she has made it simple. It's definitely a Southern cookbook. She is sharing her family's heirloom recipes. How many people are quick to give you their family recipes? It's just a special book. I have All Along You Were Blooming by Morgan Harper Nicholas. This book is so encouraging. Empowered Black Girl. Joyful Affirmation Words of Resilience. Love Tabitha. She has a book called Feeding the Soul. Just so down to earth. Literally everybody auntie. Last one is so dear to my heart. It's My Beautiful Black Hair. Learning how to love my hair. Try with different styles, scarf designs. Really embrace and celebrate our culture. They're so precious, they're staples, and I'm just so happy and proud of having these in my book collections now. This is actually from the Target Dollar Spot. Is this colander, which is so beautiful. Smaller veggies and fruits that we usually leave out that don't require a bigger bowl, and we wanted somewhere to put them, so I thought that this little colander would be just so cute on display to put those particular food items. The next thing that I picked up, which is a decor piece, is this beautiful photo canvas frame. I love bronze. I'm really trying to get out the habit of buying the basic kitchenware you would typically gravitate towards because it's just there, if that makes sense. I did a whole video about like alternatives to your home decor last spring, ironically. Next item that I picked up are these scallop plates. I actually got 2 of them, and I really wanted to start adding unique dishes. Another thing that I'm replacing in our kitchen are our napkins. Love mustard throughout our home. It literally just screams spring, summer, and these can do really well in the fall time, but I love mixing this color with every other color. It's so beautiful and bold. Next item is this gorgeous rattan woven vase. Like, you can put any flowers in it and it's just going to elevate it. With our style in particular, we have not only a lot of color, but a lot of natural elements. So bringing in rattan or wicker, that texture, the most appropriate piece for a boho home. My camera battery died, so I just replaced it. My favorite things to do, especially in the springtime, is have my diffuser going. And I'm usually putting either lavender or eucalyptus in it. I love this brand from Target because it's strong. You don't have to use a lot of drops. These are 100% pure essential oils. This next item, miniature black lamp, literally it just warms up the room. It's not a decor item, but it's actually a food item. These are blueberry white chocolate chunk mini scones. Target, go to the dessert pastry section and you will find these next to the scones and cookies. They're so good, y'all. I also got this cake stand. I wanted something that I can have in our kitchen where we can put like cookies, pastries, scones in. I wanted to complement our kitchen. It is actually quite small. It really reminds me of a bakery or a pastry shop, and it's just so inviting. We are almost through. This last purchase, which I'm so excited about, If you haven't followed me for any amount of time this year, you know I have been on the hunt for a mirror. I actually decided to call it Mirror Saga, and I finally found one.
Mirror is everything. It makes a significant difference in our home. Such a luxury, vintage, high-end piece. It really makes me excited to decorate the rest of our home. Like, our home is coming together.
Truly a statement piece. I'm gonna quickly go through this. This is actually my spring and summer bin, much smaller than my Christmas bin. So these are supposed to be like napkin designs. These are like florals, and then you weave the napkin through it and it creates like a rose petal. Mother-in-law got them for me. I have our pastel rug. I love it because it's so colorful. I have this sign that says April showers bring May flowers. Easter eggs. Growing up, my mom always did a Easter egg hunt. And I carry that tradition into my marriage. I got this from Target last year, and I love that the Easter bunny is standing on top of the other bunny to look inside the bowl. So this is like our candy dish. And then inside of it, I have 3 eggs. This one says faith, love, and peace. This was the year like everybody and their mom had these cutting boards. Egg cutting board, this rectangle bunny ear cutting board. I actually saw them back at Target this year. They're just all wood. And then our iridescent bunnies. I saw these at the Target dollar spot as well. I have the cutest little bicycle. I got this from Walmart. This is actually my wedding bouquet, and the fact that I still have it this many years later is so sweet. So I actually absolutely love to display this, especially around this time. I have this spring bush. I bought it last year from Michael, and I have some more florals that I got a couple of years ago. So in spring and summer, I'm constantly rotating florals out. Yeah, I have this prong bowl, this beautiful bowl that I got from Target last year. And then I have this greenery garland. That is all of my spring decor from last year. See the difference? It was more themed versus what I got this year. All of these items are going to enhance our home experience. I hope you now understand what I mean when I said that this was going to be a little different. Thank you all so much for being here. I am so excited for our next video, which is going to be spring decorate with me. So make sure that you hit the notification bell. If you have not subscribed, if you enjoy this video, videos like this, I hope you join this community. I'm so grateful for every single one of y'all. And as always, y'all, I will talk to y'all later. Happy spring.